The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. An arsenal was hit by high-precision, long-range, sea-based weapons in Brody, in Lvov region, where significant stockpiles of weapons, military equipment and munition from Western countries was delivered and stored. Military command and energy facilities have been hit by high-precision weapons used by Russian aerospace forces in Kyiv and Kharkov regions. The enemy made 3 unsuccessful attempts to attack Russian positions towards Kupiansk. Russian artillery fire halted and eliminated the advancing Ukrainian units on the far approaches. Over 30 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickup trucks have been eliminated. Ukrainian units attempted to conduct combat reconnaissance along the entire line of contact towards Krasny Liman. Active action by Russian troops, supported by artillery, inflicted fire on the enemy. The remnants of the Ukrainian units are pushed back to their departure areas. More than 120 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks and 4 vehicles have been eliminated. While pursuing retreating Ukrainian units, Russian troops seized dominant heights near Vremovka in Donetsk People's Republic. More than 90 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickups have been eliminated. The enemy launched a number of unsuccessful attacks towards Nikolaev-Krivorozhsk, near Dutchany, Perikatki and Ishchenko in Kherson region. All the attacks have been successfully repelled by Russian forces. More than 130 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 tanks, 11 armored fighting vehicles and 7 vehicles have been eliminated by shelling. Bases of units of the 59th Ukrainian Mechanized Infantry Brigade and the Foreign Legion Mercenary Formation have been hit by Russian Aerospace Forces missile strikes near Nikolaev. The enemy losses were over 170 servicemen and fighters, 4 armored combat vehicles, 3 pickup trucks and 6 vehicles. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 Ukrainian command posts, 63 artillery units at their firing positions, 156 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 6 munition depots have been destroyed near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Krasnoye, Novoselovka Pervaya in Donetsk People's Republic, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, Kalinovka and Novoalexandrovka in Nikolaev region. 1 Su-24 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down by tactical and army aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces near Bereznygovatoye in Nikolaev region. 15 unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down by air defense forces near Novaya Tarasovka in Kharkov region, Poltava, Sofiivka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Staromayorskoye, Nikolskoye and Kodema in Donetsk People's Republic, Energodar in Zaporozhye region, Respublikanets, Dmitrenko, Tomarino, Chaykino and Chkalovo in Kherson region, Tavricheskoye in Dnepropetrovsk region. 14 shells of HIMARS and Olha multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed near Tomarino, Otrado-Kamenka, Novaya Kakhovka, Verovka and Vesoloye in Kherson region. In total, 322 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,226 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,753 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,473 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,560 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.